Welcome back. It's now time for business. Capital market players integrating artificial intelligence and machine learning in their operations should assess the ethical concerns related to privacy, bias accountability, and transparency. This is according to the latest Capital Markets Soundness Report 2024 that highlights how artificial intelligence models have the potential to develop and incorporate certain social biases and potentially propose unwanted outcomes if the source data cleaning and analysis are not carefully considered.
A survey on the adoption and evolution of AI use in the capital markets in 2021 highlighted several risks associated with the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning by market intermediaries and asset managers. The latest Capital Markets Soundness Report 2024 says the risks cannot be wished away, and market intermediaries should consider the ethical risks, algorithm development, outsourcing and data quality risks, which are rife with integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning in operations. The report says there may be lack of transparency on how AI models make decisions, given the opacity of the rules and parameters of the algorithm that is at the core of advisory solutions. The report highlights the risk of outage for investment firms that rely on third-party AI technology providers to automate the investment process or provide advanced data analytics services. In addition, data privacy and security risks are amplified for firms with the sharing of data for processing by third-party AI technology providers. In cases where there are risks of using poor quality data sets or bias in the dataset, this may result in undesirable outcomes to market participants. Ndutamo Kami for Prime Edition.